Hi everyone, my name is Ankush and welcome back to Learnomate Technologies YouTube channel. Again, today is interesting day because I'm coming with something new, something different, and those who want to start their career as a Oracle DBA, for that this lecture is going to be very interesting. When I was talking with my one of the student, especially from my Oracle DBA batch, he was having some issues or he got some entry questions, and the entry question is very much interesting. So the question was, what is guaranteed restore point and what is the difference between normal restore point and guaranteed restore point? So yeah, guaranteed restore point play a very important role whenever you want to make sure that my database is to be safe. So we'll show you this. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, I'll talk about that. So let me share my screen. I hope you guys can see my screen. Okay. So what is this guaranteed restore point? Let's try to understand. So what is this guarantee restore point? Okay. Okay. So what we do, obviously, there are many situations in the Oracle database where, let's say you are doing some upgradation. Just take an example of upgradation. Okay. And you want to upgrade your database from Oracle 12c release 2 to Oracle 19c. Okay. When you're doing the upgradation, something went wrong. Like there is some issue and you are trying to upgrade your database, and while you are doing the upgradation, that time your database get crash, or maybe your server goes down or something went wrong. Okay. Now you are in a situation, I want to go back to that Oracle 12c release 2. So situation is that you are not on 19c also, you are not on 12c release 2 also, you are in the middle somewhere. So if I want to go back, like obviously you might be thinking that I may have a backup available, so I'll do the restoration. Again, it is a time consuming process, right? I need straight away something like, if I write down a single command, I should go back to the Oracle 12c release 2. So what I'm trying to say, till 9 a.m. my database was running very fine. Something went wrong on 10 a.m. but I want to go back to the 9 a.m. What you can do, before you start the activity, or before you think that okay, this is my correct time where everything is running fine, on that time you can create guaranteed restore point, GRP, guaranteed restore point you can create. So guaranteed restore point is a time you can flashback your database on that particular time. When my time is good, right? I want to go back on that time. So on that time, what you can do, you can create a guaranteed restore point. So if you want to create a guaranteed restore point, there are certain prerequisites are there. The first prerequisite is your database should be in archive log mode. That is the first prerequisite. You need to put your database into the archive log mode. Then you need to set two parameters. There are two parameters you need to set. One is log archive destination size. So you need to specify the size of your flashback logs which are going to be created, let's say 10 GB, and you need to specify the log archive destination, means you need to specify the location where these flashback logs are going to be generated. So there are two conditions are there. My database should be in archive log mode, and there are two parameters you need to set. Then you can create your guaranteed restore point. Like that is a very simple command. You can create a guaranteed restore point. Now we need to understand that what is the difference between guaranteed restore point and normal restore point. Okay. So if you use the normal restore point, so what Oracle will do, like let's say you mentioned that the size is 10 GB. Okay. So as soon as this 10 GB of flashback logs are generated, as soon as this 10 GB logs are getting, like, okay, let's say the size is full, the location where my logs are getting generated, it is full. What it will do, it will start deleting the logs, and so that the new logs will get time. Now if you are deleting the old logs, like if the Oracle is deleting the old log, what will happen? You will not be able to flashback. There is no guarantee that you will be able to flashback, because if you want to do the flashback, your database, you should have enough flashback logs to be available. So if there is no space, it is going to delete that, and there is no guarantee that you are going to flashback. So that is the main problem with the normal restore point. In guarantee restore point, it will not delete your old logs. It will not delete, but you need to ensure that you have sufficient space available on your log archive destination. You should have a sufficient space there. So you need to keep checking that continuously. If you do not have a space, you can increase the space. Like let's say you can just use alter system command, or mount point level also. You can increase it, and you need to increase it on this parameter level also. So guaranteed restore point provide you 100% guaranteed that you can flashback your database on the particular time. You don't need to worry about that your old logs are going to be deleted and all. You don't win, but provided you should have a sufficient space available on your mount point level, or the size what you're mentioning there, you should have enough space available there. But you need to keep checking that. You need to monitor that. That's a part of DBA. We always do that. And if there is no space, you will get the alert by using OEM and all, so you can take care of that. So normally when you are using normal restore point, okay, if you are using normal restore point, this is mainly useful when you want to roll back your database, let's say for one day before. So one day before means like normally we will have a space available. Okay, so one day before you can definitely go there. But yes, if you have some changes like which is there for on database on 7 days or 10 days, and you need to make sure that I need my database to be flashback guaranteedly, then you can use the GRP. So in both the cases, why we are using this restore point, guarantee restore point or normal restore point, because I want to flashback my database when everything was fine. Just like in our human life also, right? When my life is going good, I want to go into that day, right? So that is the reason. But in normal like in real time life, we cannot create a guarantee restore point. So life is all about the ups and downs, right? But when up is there, I want to go back. So if, when the life is up, there you are going to create your guaranteed restore point. Okay, so that's just a lemon example. Maybe you are feeling like it is a stupid example, but bear me for that. So whenever you are doing on the database level the big activities, like let's say you are doing some patching activity or upgradation or any big activities, before that we create this guarantee restore point, and you can flashback your database easily. Now you might have a question like, okay, can you show me this practically? Obviously I am here to show you the practical, but almost 6-7 minutes we have spent on this theoretical part only. So you consider this theoretical part, which is again very important for you, and I think you understand it very very well. In the next lecture I'll show you how to create a guarantee restore point, and again that will be practical. One more thing I want to tell you, like we are starting a new batch of Oracle DBA. So if you want to be the part of this Oracle DBA training, please reach out to the number which is available in the description of this video, or you can see it over your screen also. Apart from this, if you want to join our WhatsApp group, if you want to follow us on our LinkedIn, Instagram, the links are available in the description of this video. So again, thank you so much for joining. And if you have any questions, queries, anything, please let me know in the comment section. So by reading, I'll take care of everything. Bye bye guys. Thanks.